Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Here is the quick simple review of the Car Accessory. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. The household large suction corded handheld vacuum cleaner can meet various household cleaning needs such as that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Dual-use car and home, wireless vacuuming. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. High power, large suction power. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are car upgrade, easy install, and daily utility. The one caution is simple, check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict, the Car Accessory looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.